In this video, I'll share two very useful tips for layout design. First, I'll show how to select a pump using the Grundfos pump selection tool, and second, how to download and use 3D models from GrabCAD for quick visualization. Here I simply enter the required flow rate and head in meters on the Grundfos page to select the most suitable pump for the design. Now I'm selecting how many pumps the system will have. In this case, I choose one pump. Now I'm selecting the pump family. I choose the NBG, which is a simple centrifugal pump. Here I select the application type, variable speed drive, and impeller size. Then I start the sizing process. The page now calculates the most suitable pump for us. It shows 4 best matches. I simply select the first one. The Grundfos tool now selects a nice centrifugal pump that we can use in our project. Now I simply download the step file. I'll show you how to insert the step file into AutoCAD. Sometimes you just need to wait a moment until the documents are ready. Now let's upload our pump into AutoCAD. Simply click Import Other Formats and select the file. Then press the button in the lower right corner to import it. Now the pump is ready. I just measure its length to make sure the scale is correct. It's about 700 millimeters, so everything looks fine. Now, in the second part of the video, I'll upload a model from the GrabCAD page. It's a very useful site when you need models, mainly for visualization, without requiring exact dimensions. In this case, I'm looking for a commonly used plate heat exchanger. You need to sign into the GrabCAD page, where you can access millions of models. It's important to choose a model that can be opened in AutoCAD. DWG is perfect. Step also works well, and SLDPRT is good too. Files like Sldasm, CATIA, NX, or Inventor assemblies won't open directly in AutoCAD. The heat exchanger comes in out of scale, so I rotate it and fix the scaling. Let's check the GrabCAD page. Maybe we can find some measurements there. I don't find any measurements, so I simply scale the model up by 2 and check the nozzle size. It's about 50 millimeters, so everything looks good. That's it for this video. We've covered pump selection, CAD import, and basic model scaling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.